Welcome back, my good friends. I hope you have the energy for learning something new. Okay, so let's continue our journey with Laravel, where we learned how to structure our code in the previous video. And in the previous video, we learned how to add something to our database. Let's open up our database first. Let's type in the URL localhost /php myadmin. Okay, and we have our database. Let's go to our database and go to our lovely table, and we will find these two products that we have submitted. Now we are going to submit another fields using our web application, using this guy. Okay, now I'm going to submit new data using a GET request, as we know, so I will not overwhelm you with the POST request. We will focus on receiving the data and we will submit this data in our database. So let's get going. First, I'm going to go to the routes file, which is web.php, and I'm going to create a new route. Okay, it's a GET request. If we want to use the POST request, we will type here POST, but for now, let's use the GET request, and let's make a new route, which is add. Okay, sad. I'm not sad, which is add. Okay, and here we are going to pass three parameters. We are going to pass the name, and we are going to pass the price, and also we are going to pass the details. So let's pass them also. Name and /price, and also /details, and don't forget to create here a new method or a new function, which I will name it a store. Okay, storing method. Now, oh, I forgot here to add the curly braces. All right, so now we have these three parameters in our URL. These are the dynamic parameters in our URL, and we are going to receive them in the products controller in this order: name, price, details. So let's go to the products controller and create a new function. Store, as we named it in the, and we are going to receive those three parameters, which are name, and then price, and then details. Okay, so we received those three parameters here, and we are now going to create the object as we did in the Tinker tool. We are going to do it the same here. So let's create a product equals to new, and we are not going to use the app thing here because we have the product is imported right here. So we are going to use the product directly. Product, okay, and then we are going to use these to create a new object. Now we are going to use this variable as we did in the Tinker. So let's use this. Let's insert the name. Okay, and this will equals to this name. All right. Oops, caps lock. Name, and let's also create one for the price, and the last one is for the details. And don't forget to save the product. I usually forget to save the product. Okay, so now if you didn't save, it will not throw any error, but it will write this data and not save them, so it will not give you an error. So let's save it, and let's return to the products view where we view our products. Let's go back here, and by the way, let's get these products also, so it will not throw an error. So we created an error, we created a new product, and then we got all the products from our database, and then we are returning the view back. Okay, So to do that, we are going to go to the web browser and we are going to type the parameters in our URL. It's not the best way. You will not use you will not enter data in the database using this method, but I want to break things down for you to understand how this code works or structured. Okay, so let's enter the name. Let's buy a coffee, or let's enter a coffee, and its price is 2.5, and the detail, this is coffee. Okay, so let's enter, and we got a 404 error for a reason, which is I think that the web store details, it's add. All right, so now we will get it. Okay, we got our new product in our database. If we want to insert another thing, you will type another 3 parameters in your URL. So in the next video, we are going to learn how to create a form and use the post method to add data in your database. See you in the next one. Bye.